How to change language in Messenger. Open the Messenger. You can see there is no option of language anywhere in the app. So close the app and go to Settings on your phone. Scroll down. Click on Additional Settings. Click on Language and Region. Here you can see the languages. Select any language and apply it. You can see the change in language of everything. Now open the Messenger app. See the language here now. The app language is changed. That is how you can change language in Messenger. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.